everyone, it's your partner in Vogue, Dana.
And Tina.
Guess what? Dana Sangkatuta
And Tina Araneta
is back!
are so back with the Social versus Di Social Part 2.
Thank you for hugely supporting our last Social versus Di Social.
Thank you, partners in Vogue. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.
Leave a thumbs up in this video if you want more.
Also, comment down below what Social versus Di Social episode you'd like to see next.
So without further ado,
Lights, camera, action!
Oh, back in Manila. Time to buy pasalubong for my friends and family. Thank God I'm a VIP card holder. Wonder what they have in store.
Hala, passport, card. Wala naman ako pareho nun. Paano ako makakapasok? I have an idea. Ay, bawal. Ay, ate! Si James Reid! Bye-bye, be!
It's not just perfume. It's Prada. Ah, my signature scent. I still have so much bottles at home, but you know, just in case, I'll take two. One for me and the other for me.
Uy, Prada ito. At apa may tester ang parang kaamoy ng babaeng nakatabi ko sa MRT kahapon. Ayan, ayos. Nakarami. Teka nga, magkano ba to? Baka naman afford ko to. Ano? Ganyan kamahal? Sige, bibilin ko yan. Next year.
Oh, lipsticks from London. I forgot. I just bought a lot. Never mind.
Uy, sakto. Wala nga pala akong lipstick na suot ngayon. Shucks, ang sarap. Lasang candy. Bakit ganun yung lipstick ko sa bahay? Di naman ganito kasarap. Okay, medyo sumasakit na yung labi ko, no? Pero okay lang. Minsan lang to.
One for Manong Driver, one for Manang Cusinera, one for Yaya Rosie.
Ano to? Bakit parang nakabalot sa ginto? Magkano kaya to? Kasi naman, ba't dollar pa? Tuloy, kailangan ko pa rin yung calcio. Shit. Ang mahal ah. Masarap din naman ang Cloud9.
I guess it tastes good, but just to be able to taste it more, I'll get a box.
Oh yes, God is good. Hindi pa man din ako nagme-merienda. Sarap nito, te ah. Pengi pa ha, okay lang. Wala na, nakuha ko na isa pa nga.
Bawal na, miss. Over ka na. Tama na.
Ano? Free taste nga, di ba? Nakaka-hurt ka naman ng feelings. Etchoserang to. Pasalamat ka. Gutom at maabilidad akong Pilipina. Ang baho nito, may taguan? Hello, I'm back. Did you miss me? Looks like my plan worked. Ang sarap dito. Isa pa nga. Oh yes, wala pa rin nakakapansin. Sarap talaga niya.
Hindi na talaga pwede, miss.
Hindi yata ako pinalaki ng magulang ko para sumuko lang. Anong tinitingin-tingin nyo? I'm sure nagagandahan kayo sa akin. Pwede, lasang alikabok.
Ay, miss, tama na. Enough na. Sobra na. Kanina ka pa, tama na.
Abay, Eddie, wag. Di naman talaga masarap yung free taste mo.
Oh, they're on 20% off, but I try not to buy stuff on sale because the craftsmanship might not be that good. No, thank you.
Oh my kulay! Totoo ba itong nakikita ko? Ito ang mga pangarap ko. Thank you.
Quick break from shopping. It's playtime with my dear little nephew.
Hello, mga playmates! Naku, wala pa pala akong nauuwing pasulubong kay Nini, Totoy at Totoy Jr. Wala naman sigurong nakatingin dito sa paligid ko, no? Wala yan, okay na to. Makakatipid pa ako.
Oh, it's on sale, but I have a better TV at home.
Pagod na ako, buti na lang nagdala ako ng latag. Makakapanood pa tuloy ako sa flat screen.
Time to stock up on my favorite goodies.
Ano ba yan? Pasarado na yung mall. Wala pa rin ako nabibili. Kabad trip. Oh, yes. Merong nakaiwan ng cart na puno. Instagram time na ito. Hashtag imported, hashtag balikbayan, hashtag social.
Oh, how adorable and oh so talented. They remind me of my late Lolo. Here's $1,000 just for you. Bravo, bravo.
In fairness pala sa mall na to, live ang music nila. At ang gagaling nila lolo ang sarap iuwi sa bahay.
Ma'am, pwede po pala kayo mag-donate?
Hindi kita marinig. Yan lakas sa music. Oo. Sige.
It's blooper time!
So, this is all because the first social versus the social was Hi everyone, it's your partner in Vogue, Dana.
And Tina.
And guess what? Dana sang katutak.
Si Kuya. Sunset na, oh.
I want to.
Okay, ako na. Hi everyone, it's your partner in Vogue, Tina. Ano ba yun? Guys, nagsaspill kami dito sa pool club, tas tawa ng tawa. Ay, karamba.
Hi everyone, it's your partner in Vogue, Dana, and
Kaya mo yan. FYI lang po, hindi na naman po niya kilala yung bata na kanyang nilalapitan. At wala pong kamali-mali itong batang ito.
please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet.
And comment below what social versus D social episode you'd like to see next.